Mahut Minister Shyam Kumar reopened two of the most significant markets of Manipur, the New Market and the Lakshmi Market. Chief Minister Biren says his government has urged government at the centre to remove the army camp at Koiringai airfield. Education Minister Radhe Shyam reminds teachers and ZEOs to look into shortages of their respective schools and inform the authority concerned at the earliest. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association once again reiterates to enhance their duty allowance as per the Supreme Court's order. And students of Manipur College stage sit-in demanding removal of the college from the blacklist classified by UGC 2014. Hello and welcome to Impact News or English News, and I'm Premi Thangton bringing you the top stories. Mahut Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar reopened two of the most significant markets of Manipur, the New Market and Lakshmi Market today with traditional rituals and much fanfare. It may be recalled that the markets were badly hit by an earthquake on January 4, 2016. Speaking as chief guest at the event, Shyam Kumar asserted that the markets mirror the deep connection of different ethnic groups in the state. The Ima market's significance has garnered tremendous respect from every corner of the world. He maintained that the work order for renovating the market at an estimated total cost of 21 crore 98 lakh 21,000 rupees came out on October 26, 2016. The minister appealed to the people to know one's responsibility in keeping the market neat and clean. He also stressed on maintaining the market by holding on to its old and deep-rooted values and traditions, irrespective of caste, creed or religion. Shyam Kumar appealed to maintain peace and harmony in the market. It may be mentioned that during the earthquake, concrete support of the newly constructed markets were compromised, due to which women had to sell their commodities along the pavement of Betakendriji Road, and later the state government constructed a temporary market at the same place. Meanwhile, women vendors expressed great happiness for reopening the market buildings. Speaking to Impact News, a woman vendor expressed hope that shifting to the market building to the business which had been greatly affected since the earthquake. Altogether, 1,195 vendors were allotted place in the new markets and 28 vendors at Lakshmi Market.
Isasingi amad isusingi phanaba punsigi isore pe basinthari hingaida thaba khari tawatai habda ma mai chana basinpham da laaga ma mai ka thenu yolaka da praja ge imung manui semlem su kana han man aduna yam nungaina adum phambiyo sangi du akhoi ji phajada ba yada baina samana phajaba da maina kathen gi akoi basu phajanji aduna appeal toge kari go na habada haksangi pat amada morba kanda hoi mina uduri neba koi toin toin mingchen jingi mini haksangi pat nongde mise mata ko yengi masak thibaji yengi masak phajabaji yengi aise dum yengi kari go habda koi haksangi da isona piba saktam jingje seisda koi kari phataba yawge dum mingchen du yengi men ana kai thien jingna koi ge Manipur pajagi main koi pun bagi saktam yamluna na thambai basi imagine get over that.
Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren asserted that his government has requested the Prime Minister and the Defence Minister to remove the army camp at Koiringai airfield. The Chief Minister was speaking at the foundation stone laying ceremony of the construction of a new building of Manipur Public School at Koiringai today. Chief Minister Biren, who is also the chairman of Manipur Public School along with vice chairman of the school, Education Minister Thokchom Radhe Shyam, Secretary of Manipur Public School and Principal Secretary Education S. Vinay Joshi laid the foundation stone. Biren stated that Manipur Public School was once one of the most sought after schools in the state, but it has not maintained its earlier reputation, though it is still a good school. He appealed to make the school one of the best schools in India by sorting out any differences of views and ideas. The Chief Minister indirectly blamed and said that negligence on the part of the former chairman of the school, Okrami Bopi, is visible in the school. He said that the government understands the inconveniences facing these people because of the army camp at Koiringa airfield and assured that it will be removed by consulting the authorities concerned at the earliest.
Satra Satri sin lambi da puthokna lepa khotpa reception tawhanba strike yahonba ban yahonba now adugi matam do je koi we have to change it chairman and chief minister wera misishu maming dagi hapadong taw never concentrate how the Manipur public school is functioning sigi airfield si ari ba mafam ni civil village mayam amana question laga laibani admasigi marakta army kem nung sajan khojan na tawbasidi hongto hanbiyo aina yam kanna pressure tawrami moina tawriba nature du ai su nungai table legi aduna ai sida confront tawbugi mahutta kana de haidana ai level ada ai ahum morer sure even ai prime minister do request tawkrabani.
On the other hand, Chief Minister N. Biren alleged that the commotion created by ASHA workers yesterday is suspected to be instigated by some individuals to gain political mileage. The Chief Minister maintained that yesterday's incident was a means to malign the image of the government, which has been working for the welfare of the society, and that he has directed the authority concerned to file FIR and those actions against those involved. Biren asserted that yesterday's program was not related to ASHA works and that they are not government employees. He maintained that the government will never accept those who took law into their own hands just because they were not mentioned at the event. Biren stated that the government strongly condemns the incident that occurred at the launching of a welfare scheme for the poor, which was a very important and sentimental event, and maintained that those involved in the incident will not be spared.
Lairabi mayam mamittagi mapita mayam ubirangmani free the lion by yanana bagi yamna emotional oiba matamdu da akhui sakrakanda meeting to the moigi panbi natraga panbi ne na mai thaba masosa Manipur si krai yamna makata ge ngobo moigi palli pandi moi pandu si manum karigina why moigi scheme lo moigi function la moigi damakta tawbra asa yawi aina khangbra. This new government will not tolerate this kind of illegal FIR Desato, whoever involved the women could legally prosecute the women, book to them in a hike. Politics Hanarkano, Narangidu, Karai the Gimino, group win Laga, Kanana Insulino, Fazana find out Torkanda, the Mustit Key, Mayamgi, Honor the government, see the Minchatin the woman report Kara, Narangai we.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham asserted that teachers and zonal education officers ZEO must take active role to look into the shortages and essential requirements of the schools and inform the authorities concerned of the education department to make the necessary changes at the earliest. He made a statement during his visit to the Uyumpok Upper Primary School at Kundrakpam constituency today. The minister also gave assurance to construct a new school by March or April. He also expressed happiness on the increasing number of the students' enrollment in Uyumpok Upper Primary School from just 10 students last academic session to 119 students this year. He lauded the teachers of the school for the same. Radhesham reiterated that education is one of the top priorities of the government and it is a duty of the headmaster or headmaster in charge to inform the authority concerned about the necessary requirements and needs of their respective schools and the students. The minister also warned of strict action against those officials who fail to carry out their responsibility, stating that the teaching, non-teaching staffs and officials of education department belong to one big family. The minister called on them to take responsibilities and work proactively in bringing positive change in the field of education system, especially in the government sector. Briefing the media, Minister T.H. Radhesham said that officials of the Education Department have been visiting different government schools located both in the hills and plains of the state with an aim to improve the education sector. Due to the relentless efforts from the stakeholders, especially in rural areas, the enrollment in the government school has seen a steady increase. The minister said that government schools are slowly regaining the trust of the people. Radhesham said his visit to the Uyumpok Upper Primary School was planned after he saw the plight of the school in local news arising due to the inadequate infrastructure due to increase in number of the students. He appealed to the public to render their continuous support to the school. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association demanded the state government to enhance their duty allowance as per the order of the Supreme Court to give the duty allowance of Home Guard personnel at par with that of the state police constable. The association also warned that they will raise complaint to the Supreme Court regarding the State Finance Department trying to misinterpret the order to the public if the need arises. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, Yanglim Mangi, said the Supreme Court gave its judgment to increase the duty allowance of Home Guard personnel as per with that of the state police personnel within 3 months in 2015. He said after the order of the Supreme Court, duty allowance has been increased in most of the states, including some northeastern states. Mangi lamented that the government has not increased the duty allowance even after 2 years. On the other hand, the High Court of Manipur also issued contempt notice to the state government, finance department and home department to increase the allowance according to the order of the Supreme Court. He said, however, it is unfortunate that the response of the finance department was opposite to the order of the court. Mangi maintained that the duty allowance of home guard personnel will not affect the budget of the state government as 90% of the allowance will be reimbursed by the Union Home Ministry.
Manipur Sarkarna Home Guard Singi Dabi Supreme Court ki matungina PU haijaba matamda BDF ka konsallaga BDF nasu lal horakani BDF nasu irang tawrakani piba yagiroi haidana finance department na kamen piba ten thungi pium de hena awa werakani haiba ate awang no state singda pidabra haibana singba yamna delaying tactics ta file as a process to another labor responsible officers in Daiko Yauda Banana Dogay. High Wapamasimak Supreme Court ki order ki Wang Mother Labanina, Supreme Court of content of Yamagi, Hug Power Labor Hajapakana, Kanga Higa, Tanaja.
Students of Manipur College states a sit-in today demanding removal of the college from the blacklist classified by the UGC in 2014 on account that the college did not utilize its fund properly. Students taking part in the sit-in organized by KSA Manipur College Unit Council also drew the attention of the government to urge the UGC to remove the college from the blacklist for the students. The students said there is an apprehension that the NAAC might cancel the Grade B accreditation as the UGC blacklisted the college. They appealed to the relevant authority to look into the matter at the earliest and demanded to take action against those who misappropriated the fund but not to punish the students.
Matangi accreditation grade of Manipur College grade B ni ado matangi accreditation da B grade se pirat tabi yabagi mami saunu re aduna leba asigi pipi pasina sobo mieng changbiduna chenage bisa national university chenage mi sinta isala ko biduna kai tawya ge habdo college sigi hanbara moina abento.
Manipur Students Federation MSF in the press release stated that the elected members of the 16th Federal Executive Council will take oath at 10 a.m. tomorrow at Manipur Press Club. Former Vice President of Barak Valley Drivers Union, Purailat Rocket Sharma, was found dead in a suspicious circumstances under the custody of Silchar Central Jail. Rocket Sharma, 60 years, from Thoubal, a driver of super night bus services from Silchar to Guwahati, was arrested last year on November 14 after Assam Police filed an FIR under IPC section 419-420 and 406 at Silchar Police Station. He was allowed to be out on bail on January 17. However, he called his wife on January 14 to let her know that he was being taken to Silchar Medical College due to a heart attack. When Rocket's relative went to visit him in the hospital, he was already dead, and even the post-mortem was conducted without any prior information to his family. Superstar Club Thoubal and Kunai Kanba Apun Bamaira Paibilub have jointly expressed foul play by the police and the hospital authority. They even suspected that his internal organs must have been sold off. They drew the attention of the state government to look into the matter at the earliest. As a part of the security measures ahead of the Republic Day celebration, a team of OC Commando Imphal East and police personnel of Porompat Police Station conducted about 2 hours cordon and search operation at Hata Golapati in Imphal East District since around 5:40 this morning. 87 women and 280 men were verified during the operation. 4 persons, including PULF bailout without proper identification documents were taken to Porompat police station for further verification. A team of Imphal West Commando led by DSP Commando Imphal West also conducted search operation at Moirangkong Bazaar and Loklambung Bokul Makung around 5 this morning. 270 persons from 80 houses were verified during the operation. There is no report of arrests during the operation. A team of Moreh Police and Moreh Commando also conducted cordon and search operation as a part of security measures ahead of the Republic Day celebration at Moreh town today. The team led by DSP T.H. Krishna Tombi and OCP Tarun Kumar under the supervision of SP Technopol Dr. S. Bomcha conducted the combing operation. The team started operation from Moreh town parking and later at the hotels in Moreh. A cadre of underground outfit UNLF was arrested during the operation. The arrested cadre is identified as the Langbam Sanathoi Mitay alias Sanamacha, 21 years, son of E. Naupi Mitay from Singda, Part 1, Mamanglekai. Police source said Sanathoi joined the party in 2015 and underwent training at Estant, Nagaland. A combined team of Bishnupur District Police and Commando team of Nambol Police led by Deputy Sub-Inspector of Commando under the supervision of SP of Bishnupur, IPS Jogesh Chandra Haubijum conducted cordon and search operation at Maibam Chingmang from 5:30 to 7 this morning. Altogether, 550 persons were verified during the operation. 8 males and 1 female were arrested and handed over to Nambol Police Station for further verification. An IED was found at Chinung Khok, about 3 km from Telochana on Imphal Ukhrul Road under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East District yesterday. Acting on a tip of a team of Intelligent Field Unit IFD of 12 Assam Rifles and 17 Assam Rifles found the bomb during an ROP around 10 last night. When the team was conducting the ROP, 2 unidentified men threw the bag containing the bomb near the AR Gypsy and fled towards the hill. 261 Army bomb experts have defused the bomb safely in a secluded area around 9:30 this morning. Later, OC of Lamlai Police Station, Devakumar, inspected the area. An FIR has been filed and investigation is going on. United NGOs Mission Manipur UNMM in a press release strongly condemned the bomb blast which killed 2 minors and injured 3 others in Leishok village and the Kokpum police station. UNMM also drew the attention of the state government to set up a special investigation team and probe the case at the earliest. The Director of Transport in a press release stated that no vehicles except that of VIPs and invitees will be allowed to apply towards North AOC and Moirangkong Kaishampa to Khwai Bazar Maharani Bridge, Dukanthong Babuthong to Bazar, Koyathong to Bazar, Koyathong to North AOC and GPO Nitaipa to take to Kaishampa Bridge from 6:30 AM to 12 PM on January 23rd and 26th in view of Republic Day celebration on January 26th and also in connection with the full rehearsal of the parade on January 23rd. The Directorate also said there will no one-way traffic from south to north and no vehicle will be allowed to ply from north to south on Indo-Burma Road, Mayang Imphal Road, Imphal Dimapur, New Kasar Road and Yangang Pokpi, Lamlai, Porompat, Andhra, etc. Coordinator of Standing Committee of Underground Outfit Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release appealed to people of Manipur to boycott the Republic Day celebration in the state. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Minister Shyam Kumar exposing for strict monitoring on agriculture and farming practices in the state to avoid possible health hazards. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Minister of Forest and Environment and Horticulture and Soil Conservation, T.H. Shyamkumar, highlighted the need for strict monitoring to be conducted on agriculture and farming practices in the state to avoid any possible health hazards. Minister Shyamkumar was speaking at the inaugural of Crop Solutions Center for Plant Health, Manipur at Keshampat, Laimacham Laikai today. Shyamkumar maintained that there is a myth among the farmers in the state that without using urea, productivity will be hampered. He reiterated that use of chemical fertilizers have negative impacts on our health. He said opening of more diagnostic centers to diagnose various diseases affecting our plants and crops is a necessity. Officials of Agriculture and Horticulture Department and many farmers were present at the inaugural of the new Plant Health Center.
What happened to the other hand? Port me on the motor training people important way. Karamakali, that happening. After the action, I that will go with the planting the chocolate soidra. Upon the time, put me on the view in a Satamatan. And the Massacre spoke the soil, the Massacre training Matagali. She training the Matagali departments now. Saptana Pisani Legacy. As a Chile, ma'am, she get doctors in Academia, she and Akanda. Ma'am, she not invite to be the Kanda. Papa Pongi, Ramazing Salakanda, training to be the Kanda, I follow the Maximum.
MLA of Number constituency L. Lokin asserted that Congress party had no aversion with anyone when it was in power for 15 years but was against underground armed outfits. Lokin was speaking at the 54th Foundation Day of celebration of Nambol Maibam Youth Club come library of UJB ground Maibam Chingmang today. He maintained that Okrami Bobi led Congress government initiated various developmental works for more than 35 communities inhabiting the state. Lokin mocked at the present BJP led government is pretentious and putting up show by holding Chingi Numit behind closed doors. He maintained that the projects which are about to lay foundation stones by Prime Minister Narendra Modi were all initiated by Congress government.
Howjik the state government gadget the Yauraba, recognized Toraba, no Purupche, Utraga Manga Taruk Suyam. Asakuma Matamaja Sayitra, Pero to the City Okrami Boki Saton Matamda, Jintam Katana, I quite Saton Tobla, development program Kayama, I quite Paikan Karbanebo. That lie, but he, Amakaki Sarka, I quite Jingi Numika and Matam Kartoga, Ada Irena. Magi banglo manungdo unare kanda yam the singtam no sinabagi sabagi adom dama pusalakpa ma Manipur prajado kulli aba matam magi sahi drama gi okrami bobika chingi prajaga no sinata bandate subla gi khulai paiba laloba dolama khakati siri ibobika yanate.
President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC in a press release condoled the demise of former compositor and manager of Simanta Pratikra dailies Khetri Mayumi Bumcha from Top Khongnang Makhong. An e-book entitled Bangladeshi Manipuri Singhi Pisa Lonsa, written by Mutua Bahadur, was released by Commissioner of Art and Culture Manipur Moirangthim Lakshmi Kumar today. The book, written in both Meitei Mayek and English, was released at State Archaeology Campus in Kangla. Speaking at the event, Mutua Bahadur said Manipur's King Gambhir Singh in 1824 constructed his palace at Mirja Jungle, an area of around 60 acres of Sylhet Thana in Bangladesh. The palace was surrounded by 7 walls. He said some of the walls are still in existence till date. In front of the palace, ponds were constructed for the king and the queen. As per Meitei tradition, 3 shrines of Pakhangba, Yumjau Lairembi and Nongsabagi were also constructed. Mutua said all the 3 shrines are still intact in front of Madan Mohan College in Lama Bazar. A gazette declared that the 3 shrines, as protected under the Ministry of Cultural Affairs Archaeology Provision Act 1968 revised 1967, Government of Bangladesh on April 12 in 2012. However, despite of the notification, encroachers have started constructing houses nearby, threatening the shrine's existence. He urged the Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren, to make a written request to the Minister of Culture, Government of India, to protect the shrines. He also expressed a desire of either construction of more memorial sites of the graves of King Marjit and Devendra located by Dolai River, also known as Rajargao, Jamina, Kuningthek and Bahanugash, or arrangement to dug out the mortal remains for relocation. MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan opened a showroom of handloom products called Hipokpi Yaipokpi Pizol near Thangmaiban ABC go down today. Speaking on the occasion, Ranjan expressed happiness opening a handloom showroom when the state government is also initiating steps to promote the handloom and handicrafts products of the state outside the state. He said there is high demand for the handloom and handicraft products of Manipur among the outsiders and appealed to work towards promoting the products. Proprietor of the showroom, Rambo and Ingthojam Pravina, were also present at the launch. Universal Friendship Organization UFO Imphal East Headquarter #1 observed its 18th Raising Day in Langthabal Kunja. Speaking in connection with the day, General Secretary of Universal Friendship Organization M. Moriba Meite asserted that Universal Friendship Organization intends to preserve and promote the rights and rituals, ethics and lifestyles of Meite community and let it shine in the world. UFO aims to bring back the lost kingdom of the state.
कोई मैथले बागता मांग खरबा थक्सी खासी हंजलनबगी दंगता अमुक एखोइनो नोनो होनामिनाबा अनि सुबदा एखोइ मांग खरबा एखोइगी इथिक्स असिगुम पुनमक सिंग असुबो अमु हंजलनदुना तंगदु लैताबा खुनाय अमा ओरंगनबगी दमकता एखोइनो होनाजबगी अपामबा अदुगो लोइनाना अहुम सुबसी एखोइगी मांग खरबा एखोइगी लेंगांग ससलमदि वायन थाउदा अदुगुम्बा इसामिचा योंगलै मिलै नाइदबा जात बिजा खाइदबा धर्मदा खेनबा थमदबा अदुगुम्बा लेंगागदो अमुक हंजलक्तुना तंगदु लैताना अमुक्तंग लेहनबा लोइनाना मालेमसे एखोइना हात पलेपतुना लाल तब माले मामा अखोई सेमिनसी हाइबा मियामदा खननबगी अदुगुम्बा तंगाई फदा थौरम मामा अखोइना पांगथोकजबन.
Super 99 Mall offering varieties of products for sales was opened at Sigma Bazaar in Laipam, Kuno today. AGM and arm of State Bank of India Regional Business Office Kamal Khanal launched the mall in a ribbon-cutting ceremony. The mall will make available various products for people ranging right from kitchen and dining, health and beauty, toys and games, food and beverage, stationery, home accessories, gift and decor, bathroom to ready to wear garments, etc. Business head of SNNR Private Limited, Ashish Singh, and CEO of Sigma Bazaar, S. Ranjit Kumar, were among those present at the launch of the mall. CEO Ranjit Kumar stated that Super 99 is the first of its kind in the Northeast India, and efforts are on to open 2 to 3 more Super 99 malls in Manipur. He said the mall will provide benefits to the people of Manipur in terms of value, quality, and price.
Port ama hek khanma matamda okay samna offer people ere natraga price to yeng biraga port to quality and the value to matungina price to ga chana bibra. Say suppose port ama hata iron in different companies now they are playing a discounted role in the throwaway price for damaged stock or it may be dumb stock or old stock. Aduna customers in madugi poche piriba offer natraga piriba price natraga any sort of company gi clearance sales ga mari lena piriba poche ga chana bra chana da phaibedo customers ni amna munna yeng biraga koi choose to honi.
Changamdabi Muhammadan Club in a press release stated that there is no proper water supply at Changamdabi Mathak Village, Yaripok, under Kairao Bitra subdivision in Imphal East District till date. The club drew the attention of the concerned department to look into the matter. And now the sports news. RKC Team B Kurathong Ace A St. Jumai, LKYDA Team B Laipam Kuno and All Team B Uripok beat their rivals in the 3rd Imam Manishang Memorial State Level 4A Mini Boys under 35 kg category football tournament. In the first league match played today at Rising Knowledge Club Kurathong ground, where FIFA Under-17 World Cup players Boris Tangjam and Kumantem Ningtoingamba started playing football. RKC Team B Kurathong Trust DC FC Naramthong 3-0. ASA Singtamai beat Tau Team A Thangmaiban 1-0 in the second league match, and LKYDA Team B Laipam Kuno dropped Apollo 11 Sega Road 5-0 in the third league match, while in the fourth league match All Team B Uripok beat UPC Kurai 2-1. 18 football teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Rising Knowledge Club Kurathong under the sponsorship of Yenkom Sajib. Riyang Star Nagamapal and Force Ketrigrao beat their rivals in the first Hypok T20 cricket tournament. In the first league match played today at Langthabal Public Ground, winning the toss, Riyang Star Nagamapal batted first and made 130 runs in 20 overs with 6 wickets down, while ESU Wankai made just 100 runs with 4 wickets and lost by 30 runs. Young star Nagamapal's all-rounder Jenta, who made 55 runs and took 1 wicket, was awarded the man of the match title. In the second leg match, TCMDC Thongju batted first and just made 79 runs with 8 wickets down in 20 overs, while Force Khetrigao won the match in 13.5 overs with 5 wickets down. All-rounder for Force Khetrigao Kasim, who took 3 wickets and made 8 runs, was awarded the man of the match. 21 cricket teams are taking part in the T20 cricket tournament organized by Langthabal Sporting Club under the aegis of Manipur Cricket Association. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Mahut Minister Shyam Kumar reopens 2 of the most significant markets of Manipur, the New Market and the Lakshmi Market. Chief Minister Biren says his government has urged government at the centre to remove the army camp at Koyenge Airfield. Education Minister Radhesham reminds teachers and ZEOs to look into shortages of the respective schools and inform the authority concerned at the earliest. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association once again reiterates to enhance the duty allowance as per the Supreme Court's order. And students of Manipur College States set in demanding removal of the college from the blacklist classified by UGC in 2014.